I'm growing this bonsai tree in a desk drawer, but it's not for the reasons you might think. And what I thought had been a very good idea to begin with has the potential to become a disaster for this tree. Let me explain. This tree isn't in this desk drawer for any artistic reasons or any aesthetic reasons. The reason it's in this pot is because I'm lazy. This tree is one of a few I inherited from my grandfather, and when it first came into my care, I didn't know anything about bonsai. It really needed repotting, and it was sitting in decomposing soil, but I was too scared to repot it for the first couple of years I owned it. And as a result of that, its health declined. Its growth started to slow, and I was really worried that I was going to lose this tree. So I decided it needed to go into a wooden growing box to give the roots more space to grow, to pull out the old decomposing soil and add some new domesticated soil with good drainage to encourage healthy root growth. And while I should have built a box for it, I was too lazy, and I had this old desk drawer, and I thought, why not put it in there? Now, as you can see, the tree has recovered really well. It's now got a strong root system. It's pushing out a lot of growth all over the place. So the container has really done the job I wanted it to. But there is a problem. The walls of this box are solid wood, but the floor is a very thin piece of plywood. Now, if I want to move this box, the first thing that's going to happen is that tree is going to fall straight through the bottom and onto the floor. So we need to do something about that. Don't worry, I've got a plan. What I'm going to try and do is create a base for this box, slide it on top, screw it into place, and that way we can keep this tree in this container for another couple of years, help develop the roots around the base, to help keep going this momentum of strong growth. And then in a couple of years' time, we can do a proper repot back into a box. Okay, let's give it a try. Now add a few more screws to this box to stop it falling apart. We have a winner. Work like a charm. What are you doing? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. I really appreciate you watching. See you next time.